Have you ever wondered why you get snappy and irritable when you are hungry? That's your brain telling you to feed it carbs now. Carbohydrates such as glucose are essential nutrients for brain function. For example, fructose in fruits and honey and lactose in dairy products are all converted to glucose in our stomachs. Whenever we hear about carbohydrates, some good and some bad things are also associated with them. Ask fitness-conscious people, and many would say that too much of anything is bad, and they are right. While carbs are to our body what fuel is to a car, our diet decides whether carbohydrates are good or bad. One generally associated carbohydrates with sugar, white bread and flour, pasta, baked, and rice. The universe is made of carbon, so one can never fully avoid consuming them in some form or the other. Some carbs are great for our bodies, but many are not. When it comes to rich sources of carbs, beetroot is considered nature's candy for its subtle sweetness because of the presence of glucose, which is the essential energy source. Apart from this, turnips or turnip juice can also fulfill your glucose needs. Besides this, raisins, kiwi, grapes, etc. also have a lot of glucose. Instead of taking sugary drinks, you can take natural sweet fruits. The level of natural glucose is increased in our body rapidly with the consumption of these foods. Insulin is another hormone that is produced in our body to counter blood sugar, which the pancreas creates. Whatever sugar is absorbed into our body, it is because of insulin. Along with this, insulin also plays a role in flushing unwanted sugar out of our bodies. When someone consumes more sugar than necessary, it depletes the effects of insulin while also increasing sugar levels in the bloodstream, incapacitating it. When a person becomes unresponsive to insulin, the condition is called type 2 diabetes, which increases the risk of obesity and dementia. Research has shown that increasing blood sugar actually damages the brain. So keep an eye on sugar intake because the higher the spike, the deeper the crash. To avoid these health complications, we also must pay attention to our diet. Sugary beverages and edible products, packaged juices and food, ready-made items, pizza, pasta, etc. all contribute towards spiking our sugar levels. Instead, go for sweet potato, fiber-rich foods such as berries, fruits, and pumpkin seeds that contain plenty of brain-friendly glucose. DNA. We indeed get genes from our parents. We also accept their heredity qualities related to their health that also affect us. While many of us benefit from good genetics, they also carry forward disease, which is a cause of concern. But here you will be happy to know that you can change this. Lisa says that this is very surprising but true, that we have the power to activate and turn off our genes. This amazing discovery is called epigenetics. Epigenetics has shown that while we cannot change our DNA, we can certainly change the way it works. It is a bit hard to believe, but we achieve anything by changing our diet. If generations of a family have had a history of diabetes, one can understand that they too cannot avoid it. But one can certainly stop its effects by bringing about simple lifestyle changes, like adopting organic food in your diet and a disciplined and dedicated fitness regime.